Hey everybody, John from Under the Stars RV here. I'm going to show you the 2025 Zinger 340 RE that we have in stock right now. It's a brand new unit. It is a large couples unit. It's right behind me now. Dual opposing slides in the back end. So the back end just lives incredibly well. But this is a unit that's big enough that you can tow, put you on 6 there, but also big enough at the same time that you can park. So let's go take a look inside and see what makes this one so unique. So we'll start up front. One of the first things you notice is the long passageway. When we walk in the door, it's probably 10 feet to the front room, to the front bedroom. So let's go take a look here. We've got our wardrobe closets on both sides. You've got power on the side there, so if you want to charge your phone, CPAP, anything, that's on both sides here. Storage under the bed. As I spin around, I don't have the door open, but we got access into the bathroom. See, we've got tons of storage in the bathroom there. Beautiful surround shower with glass type doors. Vanity on the inside of the bathroom, which everybody loves to have it in there. So this is the hallway entrance to that. Again, just another quick view of it. From this side, there's all our storage. So as we back out of the bathroom, we head into the main coach here, which is probably the most impressive part of this. So I'm going to go there, then I'm going to go through that door. So as we walk into the main coach, you can see we've been testing the fire alarm. Beautiful big windows, seating for 4 at the table. We've got 2 super comfortable Thomas Paine recliners, beautiful back bay window, 3-seater couch, which is a jackknife couch, so that can become a bed as well. And of course, that handle, storage underneath. As I swing around to the kitchen, you can see where we've got our television and our fireplace. They're really well positioned if you look at it. That's the television, most likely your main seating there that you're going to be watching from, so directly in front of you. And it does swivel, so if you're sitting on the side, you can actually bring it out and swivel a bit. So that's a great system there. Fireplace, which will keep you nice and warm. Stove top, microwave, 12-volt fridge, another pantry. But look at the counter space you've got. And that doesn't include counter space on the island. There's also 2 stools that come with this. So this is like a bar area sitting right here for breakfast and that. It does come with those. As you walk around, just see the other side, storage underneath. Just a great setup for a couple. It's a very well living trailer, but this is probably the most interesting part of this trailer. There's another room here we haven't looked in yet, and this room is actually a full laundry facility. So again, you can see massive storage there for your clothing, whatever you've got, your towels, everything. We've got a rack up top there you can see for drying, hanging your shirts, your pants. We have a washer and a dryer, both condo style, and then there's also an extra set of drawers on the inside here. More power. Just a very, very cool thing to have if you're staying somewhere for an extended stay, or you're using this as your cottage. So that's one of the reasons this trailer is a little longer than some of the other guys in its class. But overall, it's just a fantastic layout. If you want lots of room for you and your spouse, or you just want to be alone, or you still want to be able to have the ability to have people over, grandkids, someone stay overnight, there's a ton of room in this, and that's accomplished by the dual opposing slides. All I mean is there's 2 slides facing each other, so it opens this middle room up absolutely huge. But anyway, they're in stock right now. We've got 1 or 2 left, but give me a call. We're happy to help out, and look forward to chatting again. Thank you.